As discussed before, most parameters can be used as well as a function, which means in our case, if we have the same situation as before, we would like to go for a credit, we have an interest rate, etc. But now we would like to pay, for example, 800 euro per month, and we are interested under the same conditions, what will be the final debt, what will be the final value if we go for this. So we can simply enter our values in here. Our installment per month should not be 800 but minus 800 we have to pay. You remember negative numbers if you have to pay. And now we do not enter a constant here anymore, but we enter our function future value, and you see it's basically the same parameters as before. First one would be this 5%, and as we do monthly payments we have to divide it by 12. Then the number of payments, which is 10 years times 12 months per year. We have third value is PMT, our payment, the 800 we have entered before, and the present value, which is the credit we are currently getting. And we can have to enter the last value, the end of type. We're going for 0, and what you can see here is the result, which means if we have a credit of 100,000 euro, interest rate of 5% per year, we go for a 10 years contract and pay monthly 800 euros. Then at the very end we will have a little bit more than a final debt of 40,000 euro.